He is one of Hollywood's most intense and brilliant Oscar-winning actors, but almost everyone in the US struggles to pronounce his Spanish first name. While people accidentally say Joaquin, the standard American industry pronunciation is Joaquin. First part, a refreshing glass of cold water, or a long, relaxing outdoor walking hike. Hua. Last part, a sharp, bright set of car keys, or a highly focused, energetic sports team. Keen. Put it all together fast, Joaquin. Say it out loud, Joaquin. 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 Joaquin comes from a celebrated lineage of traditional Spanish heritage, which explains the unique phonetic spelling of the letters. The actor has delivered legendary, transformative performances in cinematic masterpieces like Joker, Gladiator, and Walk the Line. Fun fact, Joaquin Phoenix actually went by the name Leaf during his childhood acting years before switching back to his legal birth name. Like, comment, and subscribe.